Coach, congratulations at first, finally in the World Cup, but certainly not the way you wanted.
Yeah. I think we were just looking at the top spot, but that's the way cricket is. We had a very close game, I would say, the first two games, Nepal and Oman. But I'm really happy that we have come back very strongly and still we are in the World Cup.
That match against Nepal, it was a just matter of one run, and it took a bit of a momentum away in the Oman match. How tough was it to overcome within a space of 24 hours?
Yeah, it is very tough because the players really go down, because their motivation and they really, get sunk in, because the way we lost by one run. So it was very hard to digest. But that is the job of the coach to motivate them. And we said, that's gone. You have to forget that. Let's focus because there are 3 more games to go. And we have to try and win most of the game and be positive. And I think the boys really responded it well.
The games come hard and fast, but it was the real UAE that we saw yesterday and today. How happy are you that you're ending on a high note?
Yes, I'm really happy because that's the way we play, and because we wanted it to show that we are one of the best teams in this tournament. But yes, at the end, people will always say that last game we got 225, today we finished in 11, 12 over. And the way we finished, I think that shows that we were one of the better teams.
There was competition from Japan, Qatar and Samoa as well at some point of time. How good is this for the good of the game that the qualifiers are never easy?
As I said, qualifiers are never easy, and especially T20, because one batsman can take the game away, one bowler can take the game away. And I think in this tournament we have seen that Japan, even Qatar, then Samoa, I think they are one of the better teams as well because they are improving. And if you look at the Kuwait team, everyone thought that they were one of the better teams, but they were just out of the knockout only, the first 2 rounds. So you can never take it easy, T20 tournament. But yes, you have to play hard and play your best cricket in T20 format.
It's the first time Oman, UAE, Nepal, all 3 are playing the World Cup at the same time. What's the message these teams hold to take into the next level? Because Associate Cricket, they're sending out messages beating test teams. So come World Cup, what do you expect from these 3 teams?
See, I think these 3 teams are very competitive, and I think we can make a mark in the World Cup as well and say that yes, these are teams which can be looked in the future as well, and we have to perform better. And the cricket has been growing. There is a lot of junior cricket coming up, and if the cricket is growing, then it's a good sign for their country as well. Nepal is doing so well, Oman is doing well now, UAE. So these 3 teams from our zone qualifying, that shows the quality of the team which are playing in this area.
Nepal and UAE, the rivalry is known for all, and we're going to continue it in the League 2 as well. How do you look at series against Nepal and USA?
Yeah, that will be a tough series as well because we just finished the T20 and then we go into 50-over format. So the switching on and off is very important. And since we will be playing at home, so yes, we will be looking at getting some points as well, but it will not be easy again. It will be tough. Nepal and UAE is always tough competition, and with USA now coming in as well because they had done so well in 50-over format. So we will be focusing and make sure that we get points out from them.
Welcome to Brand House Store, Nepal's #1 branded store.